or work on the factorization form, and we want to pass to the factorization by regrouping. What is the factorization by regrouping? As you see in this activity, we want to factorize a equals to x squared plus zy squared plus 2xy plus zxy. Okay. Factorization by regrouping, that is mean we want to take some terms and regroup these terms together and try to have a common number or variable between them. And another regrouping also, we want to search or to reach a common number or variable or terms, and then we get a same factor. Okay. To do this, for example, we can take here 2x squared and 2xy and put them together. So 2x squared plus 2xy, and pay attention, we transfer or we take the term with its sign. Okay, the 2xy, its sign is on the left of it, so it's a plus, and 2x squared, its sign is on the left of it, it's hidden, but it's plus 2. And here we put the 2zy squared plus zxy together. So plus zy squared plus, sorry, okay, plus zy squared plus zxy. This is it. Okay, so A equals, between these terms we have a common number 2, and also between x squared and x we can take the common variable x with the less power. For the first x here we have a power of 2, and for the second x we have a power of 1, so we take this one as a common factor. So the common term between these two members is 2x. Okay, we open our parentheses. From 2x squared, the remainder, okay, the number 2 is gone here, and from x squared we take x, so the remainder is only x, plus, and from the second term the number 2 is gone here, is okay, and the x is here too, so the remainder from the second term is y. Now between the two other terms, zy squared and zxy, as you see we have a common y, so we take it with the less power y, and also we have a common variable z, so the common number here is zy, so plus zy, we open our parentheses. From the first term the remainder is y only, from the second term the remainder is x. Now look carefully, we get a product of two terms, and here a product of two terms, so they form one term because we have a product a times. Okay, so this is our first block or first term, and this is our second block separated by this plus here. So between the two blocks or between the two terms we have a common factor, which is y plus x. Okay, so we can take this common factor, we can write it here, it is x plus y. Okay, from the first block, the remainder is only 2x plus, this is the plus. From the second block in red, the remainder is zy, and this is our factorization. So a equals x plus y into 2x plus zy. And to get the answer, we start by regrouping the members here in this activity. So by definition, in factorization by regrouping, sometimes the terms of the given expression need to be arranged in suitable groups in such a way that all the groups have a common factor. After this arrangement, factorization becomes easy. Method of factoring terms. Step 1. We want to arrange the terms of the given expression in groups in such a way that all the groups have a common factor. Okay? Like we have been done before. Step 2. To factorize each group of them. And step 3. To take out the factor which is common to each group. Okay, look here, we have an application. Okay, I want to solve these expressions, and I want to send you an extra sheet to factorize using the method of regrouping and also the identities. Okay, so if we pass to the first one, a equals a squared plus ab plus ac plus bc. So we take this group and this group. Okay, between a squared and ab we have a common factor a. We take the common member with the less power. So the remainder is a here, and from the other is b plus. Now between the two other terms ac and bc, the common member or the common element is c. Okay, from AC the remainder is A, and from BC the remainder is B, and this is the plus. Okay, and the C is a common element which is taken, and we put it in the beginning here. Okay, so now we get a common factor a plus b between the two blocks or the two terms. Okay, we take this common factor. From the first block the remainder is a, and from the second block the remainder is c, and a plus b is the common factor, and this is our factorization form of a. Okay, I will continue the other expressions in a next video. Thank you.